Introducing the portable handheld sewing machine, the convenient and easy-to-use solution to all your sewing needs. This sewing machine is designed to be compact and lightweight, making it easy to take with you wherever you go. First, place the 4 AA batteries. Then install the bobbin. Pass the thread through the thread guide, the tension control, and the needle. Make sure the thread is securely in place. Rotate the rotation axis. Put the fabric under the pressure applet and press the switch to start working. It's perfect for small repairs or quick sewing projects. This sewing machine is also versatile, able to sew a variety of fabrics, from cotton and denim to silk and leather. Get your portable handheld sewing machine today. Simply search this code on AliExpress and get a 30% discount. Thanks for watching.